if you feel like your hair is stuck at a particular length, these are the things I feel you are doing wrong. And if you fall in this category, ensure you stop whatever it is you're doing and listen attentively, because this is one video you will need to make your hair thrive. I'll be dropping gems in this video. You don't want to miss it. If you know you have any family or friend that needs to listen to this, send this video to them ASAP. So let's get right into the video. Hi, my name is Joy, also known as your favorite hair coach. So the truth of the matter is your hair is actually growing, but the issue is you're not retaining length. And this can just, equate to you feeling a bucket that is leaking. That is just the way your hair is. If you are growing out the hair but you're not retaining it, it's more or less like feeling a bucket that is leaking. Obviously, the bucket will not retain the water. Do you get the ideology? Yeah. So these are the things you probably are actually doing wrong. Number one, you're not moisturizing your hair very well. Your hair needs moisture as much as possible, because dry hair is prone to breakage. Your hair being dry would actually break, because anything that is dry can break. Do you get me? Take for instance, let's use wood or stick, as you will call it. If a stick is extremely dry, once you just bend it, it will snap, it will break. Just take it that is how your hair is. Once it is dry and you detangle it roughly, it can break. So how do you moisturize your hair? You moisturize your hair with spraying water and applying leave-in conditioner. Then you detangle from the tip of your hair, which is this part, to the roots of your hair, which is actually like towards your scalp area. Do you get? If you can prioritize this, you're good to go. And don't forget, always detangle in sections. Don't carry your head full of hair like this and detangle at once. Section it. You can do like 6 to 8 sections, or as the spirit leads. Moving on, you are not doing low manipulative hairstyles. Majority of you like doing tight hairstyles. You like doing hairstyles that will snatch your edges and all those things. Yeah, I get it, but you need to do hairstyles that are low manipulative, meaning they will not cause tension to your edges or your hair in general. For one, take for instance your mini braids, mini twists, your chunky braids, your cornrows, your African thread, and so on. Those are low manipulative hairstyles. If you can actually prioritize this kind of hairstyle as opposed your regular tight Ghana weaving, regular tight knot braids and the likes, you will see that your hair will actually thrive way more. And you can leave the low manipulative hairstyle for a minimum of 4 weeks to maximum of 6 weeks. I'm not really a fan of keeping hair for 2 months and above, which is actually like 8 weeks and above. I'm not a fan, so I don't advise my people like you over there to do hairstyles of 2 months and above, because you would actually experience excessive shedding and you might not be able to handle your hair when it stays longer. So I just feel like, the shorter the merrier. 4 to 6 weeks is actually fine. Moving on, you are not tucking your ends. Like majority of you don't tuck your ends. You just leave your ends flying and all of that. Take for instance, if you do your mini twist, you can just take a silk ribbon and pack the hair and secure it, thereby making your ends to be protected and to not keep rubbing off on your shoulder and causing friction. Do you get? And some of you don't use silk scarf or silk bonnet while going to bed. That is the way you can protect your ends and your hair in general. Sleep with a silk scarf or a satin bonnet and you're good to go, right? Moving on, you do not give yourself regular scalp massages. Regular scalp massage will actually promote blood flow, which would in turn promote healthy hair growth. That is why I have taught you guys how to massage your hair for healthy hair growth, and it is in circular motion. Take for instance my edges. If I want to grow out my edges and coupled with doing low manipulative hairstyles, applying the right product and all, not just massaging my hair alone, you need to couple it with other things to promote healthy hair growth, right? So this is how you massage it for those of you that have skipped that part or you skipped the video. In circular motion, you just do like this with your fingers, obviously, then you go like this. This is how you massage your edges for healthy blood flow, which will actually promote growth. This is how you do it in circular motions. You do it for like 1 minute, 1 minute 30 seconds. It depends on how long you want to do it, but don't do it less than 30 seconds actually. Then you're good to go. If you can do this regularly, let's say 5 to 6 times every week, then you're good to go, coupled with other things I mentioned, don't forget. Moving on, you do not use the right product. Most of you are using harsh chemicals on your hair. You are not prioritizing DIYs, that's using natural remedies for your hair. You are using sulfate full products as opposed to sulfate free products. You are using products that the chemicals, if you should actually do like an analysis on it, you realize that you are hurting your hair as opposed to doing it good. You get? So if you can actually prioritize products that are actually good for your hair, your scalp, and overall hair health, right, then you're good to go. So with all this, you need to retain the length you are actually growing, and that is doing low manipulative hairstyle. And when you are taking down that particular style, you should also work with moisture. That is, you spray the protective style with water, you apply leave-in conditioner, then you can actually apply oil for more sleep. Then you take down your protective style gently, then you detangle that part. I've explained this in details in my previous videos, so ensure that you watch my previous videos and you understand how best to handle your hair, right? So your hair is actually growing, you just need to retain the length, right? So if on an average we're actually growing half an inch every month, try and preserve half an inch, or if it is more than half an inch, try and look for ways to retain that particular growth over the months, and you'll see like visible length. You can actually check the inch of your hair before you make a protective style, then after the protective style you can check again. You get? So just monitor your growth like that and do all the things I have stated, and avoid the things that are wrong that I've also stated, right? So yeah, I remain your favorite hair coach. If you want like more tips on how to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair, I have an ebook. The link is always in the description box. Click it and get your book, right? And like I keep saying, we're trying to reach our 4,000 watch hours. So it would be really, really nice and helpful for you to watch other of my videos to even learn more things, right? And in turn, I would quickly reach my 4,000 watch hours. Right, so for those of you that watch up to this point, you guys are the real OGs. I really appreciate you guys, and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Like, share, and subscribe. And obviously I would see you in my next. Bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.